Alright, forgive me for forgetting my camera, but we're just doing a quick project today. We got a license plate, so I registered it in New York finally. And my boy finally mounted the tires, so we're gonna do a quick tire change, see where the stance is. I don't have the wrenches for the coilovers, but he has a universal kit because he's a mechanic, so I'm hoping I have the right one. But yeah, let's see where we can land this fitment. I'm sure it's gonna be atrocious. So there's a giant spacer on there. I'm gonna try it with the spacer first. Just gonna put 3 lugs on it, let her sit down, see where she wants to sit. Ooh, a lot of poke. Lot of poke. So I don't think I'm gonna run too much camber. I guess I don't know what people run for 370Z specs. That looks gangster though. We gotta lower it. Probably gonna take the spacer out too. Yeah, so we'll just jack it up now and take the spacer out for the fronts at least. Because that's like an inch spacer. Maybe it'll need like 20 mils or something. This is exciting, man. This is like the fun part of building the car. His fitment and wheels and stuff. Oh, okay. All right, maybe like a little camber and like a 10 mil space or something. But sick. She's on. Gotta lower it a little bit, I think. Maybe inch. All right, let's jack it up and see if my coilover tool fits that I got from my buddy. If you guys have seen in here, I got true heart coilovers. And the spanner wrenches for my faction fabs and my BCs did not fit to adjust ride height, of course. They fit the spring rate. Too big. Frick, dude, they don't fit either. That blows. That sucks. Can't adjust ride height. That really sucks. I was really trying to do that today. All right, let's get the wheels on and zip them on, I guess. Alright, I'm dripping sweat. Hopefully I don't get sunburned because I burn easy. Yeah, let's get the rears off. This spacer is like a 2-inch spacer in the rear. But I'm putting overs on it too. So hopefully, I don't know the spec of these OEM wheels. Unfortunately, with cars, it's trial and error. Rear 2-inch, I believe, is a little bit too big. So we're gonna try to put the one that was on the front on the rear now. So yeah, let's do it for the 4th time. We'll get it right eventually, no matter how many times it takes. We're going more drift build today. We got an angle kit going in, and we got some new wheels I drove like 3.5 hours to Allentown, PA for. So hopefully you guys are excited for this. We're just heading out real quick to go to my buddy's shop. This is pretty exciting because we get to use his lift. It's the first time where I get to actually use a lift and, you know, be indoors, which is kind of cool, even though it was like 100 and something degrees in his shop for this day. He did one side, I did one side, and obviously he finished up before I did. So he ended up helping on my side just right there at the end. Honestly, I was pretty surprised with how easy it was. You just take the strut bolt out, and then the little rack there, I think it had like a stopper thing on it so your wheels don't smack against important things. Yeah, it wasn't really bad at all. The only pain in the butt thing was you actually had to grind the stop off the OEM thing and then put it back on, which wasn't a big deal. But their welds were pretty mint from factory, I will say. So here we are. We got it on the alignment rack. We had a pretty gnarly time with the alignment since it's salvage title. It was crashed. Some things were pretty bent back there on the side, the driver's side, which you wouldn't think because it looks like passenger side took all the damage. So I don't know. There's a lot of Bondo on that rear quarter on the driver's side, which is also weird too. But yeah, nonetheless, the jam nut was stuck. That was the biggest complaint. I wouldn't have been able to get it myself, so super lucky I had his help and couldn't have done it without him.
What is up, everybody? I forgot to do an outro because my camera kept
No.
overheating due to the sun. Um, Basically, what ended up happening was I took the front spacer off, put the front spacer on that was on the front to the rear, and just took the rear one off completely. And fitments dialed, and then we went and got an alignment. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. It's getting good next because I'm editing. I had like the diff video done, the seat video done, the hood video done. Now I'm doing the wheels and alignment video, and then the over fenders, and then the ECU, and a couple other little things like the door and the window. All these videos are done and waiting to upload. I haven't even started posting on the channel yet because I wanted to get like a surplus of like videos and content for you guys. So you weren't waiting on me for like 3 weeks every release. So now I'm like ahead for a month or two while I'm working on a big surprise on it that I'm not going to tell you guys yet. But yeah, I appreciate you guys sticking around and just letting you know the content is getting spicy, boys. It's getting spicy.